Sandvik is a global industrial group with advanced products and world-leading positions in selected areas. Tools for metal cutting, machinery and tools for rock excavation, stainless materials, special alloys, metallic and ceramic resistance materials, as well as process systems and sorting systems. The group has 42,000 employees and representation in 130 countries, with annual sales of approximately 72 billion Swedish kronor. Sandvik and Siemens PLM Software have had a well-functioning collaboration for a long time. Here is Sandvik's philosophy about product lifecycle management, or PLM.
Sandvik took the decision already in the 70s to convert completely from manual design technologies into the computer-aided design technologies. But we also recognized from the very beginning that this opened new opportunities for us to work in a completely different way. Because we also recognized that if we were going to continue to work the way we did, we would have very little benefit from it. Today, this is one of the reasons why we have managed to operate in a global arena with consistency and making sure that every customer is given solutions and products with the same performance and living up to the same specifications.
Sometimes people talk about the conflict or conflict between investment in, for instance, ERP systems and investment in PLM systems. Is there such a conflict going on in Sandvik?
No, we don't have an investment budget as such. I mean, we look at every item based on its own merits, and if it meets our standards when it comes to payoff and profitability, we will be able to make those investments irrespective of whether it's acquisitions, investments in hardware, software or other systems.
Siemens PLM Software and Sandvik have had a close collaboration for almost 30 years. The tooling business area currently has over 600 satisfied users of INEX software worldwide and ongoing projects to implement Team Center. Data can easily be shared by different sites. The mining and construction business area has a combination of INEX and Team Center with almost 350 users at 13 different sites around the world and running projects to increase it to 1,600 users. How do customers benefit from Sandvik's PLM philosophy?
First of all, they benefit in, of course, the fact that we can shorten our times to develop both standard but also engineered special products for them, because we can reuse and we have a very efficient research and development process. But they also benefit from the point of view of quality assurance, that we ensure that we produce the same product according to the same standards, irrespective of the location geographically where it's manufactured. They benefit because they can get the most cost-effective solution, and they benefit in the end from the consistency and quality and the performance, of course, that we provide. Increasingly now, they're also beginning to benefit from the point of view of that they can access the data and the information they need when they are developing their processes. When they are designing an airframe or an air engine or an engine block or a gearbox, they can access the data around our tools, which combined with the data that exists around the machine to ensure that they have a process which will drive cost efficiencies and productivity in their operations.
Over the years, Sandvik has developed a unique, highly sophisticated IT support system to optimally serve its customers. At any time, anywhere in the world, a customer can place an order for any of Sandvik's 40,000 different products. Production is controlled by customer orders, and in most cases, the customer can count on receiving delivery within 24 hours. The fully automated process features a combination of software from Siemens PLM Software and a system that Sandvik developed in-house. What's the most important step for Sandvik with respect to developing tomorrow's IT support?
I think the overriding demand that our customers have, of course, is that our products generate productivity for them. I mean, that is our core business idea, to drive our customers' productivity, irrespective of if it's a mining operation or a metalworking operation or products going into a petrochemical plant. This means that not only must our products meet the highest standards of performance, but they must also have a reliability, quality, and maintainability, which is make sure that the availability and uptime at the customer end is the maximum one. So performance is one component. I think availability and serviceability are equally important, not the least in the mining and construction area.
The Sandvik Group is extremely research focused. Over 2,000 people are active in research and development, and the company has a proud history with respect to developing new products and materials. For Sandvik, as for many other manufacturing companies, the idea in development work is to find the right balance between pure innovation and reusability of old designs.
From Sandvik's point of view, most of what we do is evolution rather than revolution, and which means that we drive and we develop based on past experiences. And even if the steps of innovation can be rather significant, we're still building on, to some degree, existing technologies or existing applications. And I think the fact that we can access on a global arena all the information of the innovations that has been made in the past, we also ensure that we're not reinventing the wheel, but that we are absolutely making certain that if it has been done before, we can reuse it. If we have had it in our product assortment before, we can take that design and improve it based on the strengths and weaknesses that it has.